Alden, Richard update yung behind the scene ni Alden sa upcoming international movie niya na Big Tiger. And Alden Richards bilang John Lynch. Yan, gwapo ni Alden. Abangan yan.
Dreaming about
Ito-interview kay Alden.
playing this kind of role because it's been a dream of mine to be also like the bad guy in storytelling. So in terms of prep, you know, constant communication with the director at the same time, you know, bringing in back knowledge of the previous villains that I've watched in the past, like how to be different, how to make this new.
Ito kasi nag-build talaga sila ng soundstage, meron kaming binild na kulungan para at least, and also may binild din kaming isang segment ng building where my character lived. So with that kasi parang you get to really get full control of the environment, not so much noise, yung weather din at the same time. I think that's one of the things we should really adapt as local filmmakers, is also to give value for production. Kasi nagmamanifest siya sa material that you have.
Lord, nakita ko na po siya ang kulit ng caption si Alden diya sa media launch Big Guy, Big Tiger. Yan, nag-selfie pa nga sila. Yan po, Casino Plus.
Sa December 24, may 500 million pesos ang Powerade. Quick fast, win more. Only on Casino Plus. Huy!
Naniwais ang cellphone.
Opo, sa app lang yan. May 100 million pesos na ipamimigay at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. at 10 p.m. 500 million pesos ang Powerade.
Ayun o. May ba si Alden at si Miss Marian Rivera. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.